Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present a project called ProApply. This platform allows users to quickly create professional resumes and cover letters using ready-made templates and AI tools. I will walk you through the homepage and features and the process of creating a resume step by step. Now, even then, I'm in the landing page of the Pro Apply. You can see the features, the templates, and workings and pricings of these platforms. First, we are in the move into templates. Here it is the resumes, templates, and lot of cover letter templates are displayed here. So we have how it works sections. We can choose an approved template and adding scenes, bullet points, and finish resume, and we can download in Word and PDF files. Then we have a pricing section. The pricing section have a trial and pro plans. We have try and pro plans. The first trial plan supports 24 hours, and after 24 hours, the customer must pay the monthly subscription. Then in in Pro Trial, we have 24.99 euro for per month. Then after completing the 24 hours trial, it will automatically renew to a monthly subscription. So it is the overall pricing section of our system. So let's move to sign in page. I have already registered my account and can log in in the system. Let's type in the system. So let's move to dashboard. And when you move in the dashboard, we can see the drop and save section. Dropped and save section. Drop section means when you have no download and save any files, and so you can see the in draft. And suppose you are in 5 to 6 points and you have not completed the sections, then you will see the your resume document in drops. So, in let's move to create a resume. And we have a filter for industry selection and experience level format types. So they have different industry like technology designs and experience levels templates. So we can choose your format as you want. Like suppose we can choose a template like first minimalist resume. So we are in first step of second step. We have choose the first template. Then we move to heading section. So then add a profile pic. Now add the information as you want. The information are displayed in previous section. We add a role for better understanding to AI citations. Now in a summary, after adding the role, AI generate a summary of our role like SQA. We can add a role as a summary. So we enhance with AI. It will change, suppose updates in our summary. Then we move to next section, our skills section. We can add a skill like manual testing, bug tracking. We can add like as you want as manually. So you see the manual testing on overall skills and summary in the previous section. So next move to experience side. So we have an experience in uh, so add experience in community work here. So next step is adding achievement or responsibilities are AI generated for SK. We can add here. So it shows in the previous section. So the next step is you can add more experience as you want. So next step is education. You can add education like education details. Like you have a bachelor of in software engineering, you add CGPA and then starting year. So the CGPA is 4.00. And education, the education is added in the previous section. So let's move to add hobbies section. First one is we can add default hobbies and add by yourself. So let's move to additional details section. You can see we have completed heading, summary, skills, experience, education, and hobbies. Both of our sections are displayed in previous sections. And next we have additional details, like we have a certificate in SQA, so we can add details. We have language section. We have English language. We can add proficiency of in English. We can add a website links. Suppose we have social and website links. We can add our project website for better understanding. So next we have add your own mean to say new section you can add here, like you have a research work. Then you can add the details of research work here. Now we see the research work section, certificate sections, and websites and language section. We adding additional details. Now we have the last step. In last step we have formatting. We can format as you want to make sense, and heading size, subheadings, line spacing. We can add so as you want. So next we have design. We can change the design color in colors. So I have miscellaneous sections, so it will show the overall incomplete sections and sent completed sections. Now there are two buttons are here: download and save. When you user click download and save, it will show the pop-up of to complete the overall pricing section, the subscription section. So let's finish. We can see the trial. First we'll see the trial section of 24 hours. We can add the details and pay now, and you can easy to add download the resume and cancel section. So we can move to add create a cover letter. So let's move to dashboard to create a cover letter. You will see the after you have no you will see the drops in drop section your resume. You have no, because you have no buy any subscription. Now in career cover letter, here it is all the templates of the cover letters with industry selections, types and experience levels and their format types. Now I choose the when in template of cover letter and adding details here. Suppose I add company name, email, address, etc. Which here all the details are shown in the previous section. By employee details, you can add employee details here. You can see recipient's name, company name. So when next we go to edit content, when we are in the letter content, we can add enhance with AI content of the letter, as we have on add here we add here on content here. So next we can remove and save and continue. Here is signature section. You can add signature by typing. It will show from left to right in different colors. Next we draw the signatures. Then we upload in file to upload a signature pic, or we move to adding signature here. So let's move to last step or finalized step. In a finalized step, you will see the overall sections. Then we You have no buy any trial. You are not buying any trial or any section. You will see in a pop-up in a finalized section, a trial sections. So that's it's all over of the power projects, and you can and in the end you can buy a subscription. Then you have access to download or save and cover letter and resume. So that's it's all of from my side about this project. So it is easy for any person or any professionals to build a resume and cover letter within a minutes. So that's all from my side and thank you.